Hello guys, and welcome back to my unboxing video. In this video I'll be unboxing Ibell car pressure washer. Its model is Wind55 series and its price is 9k, approximately 9k INR. I will leave the product link in the description below. You can check it out. You can get the car washer for 7500 INR. So let's open it. Okay, in the box you'll be getting accessories and the machine. Now let's open it. You have to assemble at the beginning. It will take only 10 minutes. So let me assemble and I'll get back to you. Okay, before I assemble it, these are the accessories. Just make sure that you take a screenshot and verify when you order the product. So let me assemble and get back to you on that. Okay, after assembly it looks somewhat like this. Here's the full assembly of this. As you can see, I have just assembled it for you. You can just connect the hose directly to this connector, and this will be the inlet and this will be the outlet. Okay, now let's turn it on and check how this works. Okay, now everything is connected. I have connected the pipe to the inlet, as you can see. Now let's turn it on to check if there's any leaks. As you can see, I just turned it on and there is no leak. So now let's turn this machine on. And make sure you unlock this button. Just press it up. Now let's check it. Oh, I'm sorry, but you have to turn this on first. Now the machine is creating some pressure, as you can see. Okay, the mistake what I have made is I didn't push this thing all the way through inside this connector. If you don't push, the water won't flow. So you have to push all the way through so that this thing comes out of the other end, as you can see. Now let me put it back and show how the machine works. Okay, it looks somewhat like this, as you can see. Now let's connect this thing to the machine and see how it works. Now let's connect the pipe to the inlet. Just a sec. Okay, now it's tight. Now it's now we can turn the water on. Let us see if there is any leak now. As you can see, there is no leaks. Now let's turn on the machine. And you have to on this. Okay, after that sound is turned off, that means the pressure is ready. Now let's turn on the pressure and see how this thing works. before you switch this thing on, make sure that you turn this, you flip the switch which unlocks the pressure. Now let's turn it on. Give it a minute. So let's connect this attachment, which is the nozzle. Okay, this is how you attach this nozzle. As you can see, just push it in. Okay, after you hear the click sound, that means you're ready to go. Now let's turn it on. As you can see, it has a high pressure. It gives out 7 liters per minute. Now let's check it. As you can see, it's just cleaning the dirt off from the ground. Now let's turn the nozzle. As you can see, this thing, it closes as you turn. With this you can clean your car. I'll show you now. As you can see, it does the job. Now let's connect the shampoo bottle and check the foam. I'll be showing you in just a sec. Okay, I have filled the shampoo bottle with this shampoo. Now let's connect this. This thing goes in directly to this. You don't need any attachment for this. Let me connect this and I'll get back to you. After it connects, it looks somewhat like this. Now let's turn it on. As you can see, it gives a pretty good foam. It depends upon your type of foam. I will link the car foam in the description below. You can check it out too. You'll get it for a cheap price. Just click the link in the description. Now let's check out it some more. As you can see, it does the job. Now let's put the water back on and see how it cleans the shampoo. Okay, I have connected the water nozzle back from this shampoo. Now let's see how it cleans. As you can see, it does a pretty good job. So that's it, guys. So until now there is no leaks in this machine whatsoever. So I recommend for you guys to go for it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe and stay tuned for more.